Hi, it's Jel and welcome to my channel.
So, andito na tayo sa Osaka.
No
No,
reservation.
okay. So, ang ganda guys.
Okay.
Are you alright to like?
Okay.
Palang, mas prefer ko dito. Sa may daw, ano. Thank you.
Okay, just...
Gira na lang ko. Ay, mainit. Sa likod. Yan yung order namin guys. Our all-time favorite bento. So, salmon bento lang yung in-order namin kasi parang ito lang yung bento nila na may rice. Oh, akala ko merong ano,
Walang paisa mo mag-order natin.
sushi. Ah, wala pala. It's okay. Tapos nag-order rin kami ng miso soup. Tapos nag-tap water lang ako. Then nag-soft drink si Al. So, ganito dito na-order guys. Cover nila sila ng mga prices. Let's eat guys! We have our miso soup. Ano ba tayo mga miso soup? Sarap. Baliktad kita, dapat nag-aamot ano ni bago kita ng Starbucks, no? So, meron silang 2, 4, 6, 6 na lumpia, guys. Tapos, sobrang dami ng salmon nila. It's very healthy. Sarap. Korean or Japanese?
Japanese ang Osaka.
Andito ako sa The Bookshop. Habang nag-aantay kay Al, nag-CR lang siya. Ito yung non-fiction area nila, guys. Parang gusto ko to. So, naka-half price na lang siya. So, baka 5 pounds na lang. Pasok tayo ulit sa mall, guys. Ha? Kasi nga, 4 o'clock ha. 4:30 pa yung train namin pauwi sa Sunderland. So, mag-ikot-ikot na lang muna tayo sa mall kasi gusto ni Al mag-shopping.
Kailangan lang hindi mabasa ang bag.
Pasok tayo sa next, guys. May titingnan lang si Al. Ready na sila for summer, pero yung panahon nila sobrang lamig at umuulan kahit summer. Napaka-colorful naman ito. And ready na talaga sila for their summer outfit. Ano baklo no? Shades? May shades ka man doon. Ito bang? So, akit na tayo guys sa second floor. Tingnan ko lang kung may pabango doon sa Victoria's Secret. Yung ginagamit kong pabango. So, naubusan ako ng pabango. So, I need to get one for myself. Ayan, pasok tayo guys.
Sa Facebook, no? Sa Facebook sa una.
Ano?
Siya nang wallpaper ko sa Facebook sa una. Kasi ako sa Facebook.
Ano ba yan? Si Gigi Hadid naman yan.
Diba?
Sa PC mo? Can't remember palang.
Some were dumped on our Boston College and some were received.
Gusto ko lang mag-stick ako sa ginagamit ko per mi bala. Ang tagal ko nang gustong magkaroon ng ganitong pair from Victoria's Secret. 69 pounds. Sobrang ganda ng tela. Very soft. Tapos, meron pa sila dito ibang color, may black. Pero mas gusto ko yung pink. Very attractive. Itong white, maganda din siya, kaso dumihin. Ang ganda ng tela. Perfect siya for summer, pero hindi siya bagay during winter. Hindi siya bagay dito sa England. Here. Ito yun guys. Ito lang talaga yung ginagamit ko since college days. 2,424. Tapos 4,440. I got two. Oh yeah, we're from.
Oh, lovely. Have a great time.
You as well.
Bye. Bye.
So ayan, may napili na kami guys sa Victoria's Secret. Yung pabango ko lang, which I normally use. Mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo hanggang mag alas 4 kasi 4:30 yung train namin. Si Al gusto niyang umuwi ng maaga kasi masama yung pakiramdam niya. Pero parang nag-okay-okay na naman siya. So, let's see what's next. Nandito na kami ngayon sa H&M. Natitingnan lang si Al. So far ako, wala pa akong naisip na bilhin. Dito sa H&M. Okay na ako dito sa pabango ko kasi napaubos na yung mga binili ko last time. Okay naman siya. Maybe guys. So do you like this one better?
Yes. You want a female opinion?
What? Sorry?
You want a female opinion? So we get my woman staff to do another staff.
What? Sorry?
Would you like me to get female member staff to say what they think
Oh,
as
yes,
well?
please. If that's alright. So, hirapan ako maghanap ng sunglasses ko, guys. So, tinatanong ko si kuya ko
Hindi mo lang ito pala yung fire. Open ito siya.
kung saan yung mas...
Gawin niya si Bernardo. Siya ang pabalo.
So, sabi ni kuya, mas bagay sa akin to. Tapos sabi niya, kuha siya ng female staff para magbigay ng comment. Ang babait nila, guys. How about that? Does it complement my face?
Yes.
So we've got like that one, and then we've got these two as well.
Right, yeah.
Try the one, see.
Yeah, the smell.
And then
Thank you. So, this one is my next choice. How about that one?
Yeah, those are nice, yeah. Those are nice. I think I still prefer the micro ones.
That
I like
one.
the sort of strength that that's sort of shoulder.
that's what I found as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So, I might just get that one then.
And finally, get all the flavours.
Thank you.
If you like the lighter colour, take some like
How about that one?
Still like those ones.
Oh,
But yes. It's for you.
I might just get that one then.
Yeah.
Those are definitely lovely. Very nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Gonna go with you.
Yes.
Beautiful as well.
So, kay Al na naman.
Open natin siya.
100 something. How much is that again? 100?
This one's 164.
Alright.
So, depends what you're going for. Are you going for 2 pairs? Or are you
Sorry. Sorry?
you're going for 2 pairs?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Just
have to
gonna
you
get
50%
one.
off the cheaper one. So, is that the one you were thinking about going for? So, yes, you get half price on that one.
How much is that?
That's
144.
144.
Can you try it first?
And then,
Grabe ang bait
let me have
nila.
a first pair of these for you while you're having a look.
Gusto mo yan? Isa pa, be? Ito, same man lang sila. Okay man siya, bagay man siya sa face mo.
Gusto nila kong gabi ito.
Ha?
Bili kong gabi ito.
Ato, tanong sa salamin. Grabe ang bait nila, guys. Parang nahiya ako tuloy. Bagay?
Okay. So that's what done for you. That's your seat. I've got the seat by the back. You'll take sunglasses there. That's details on that for you as well. And yeah, if any problems, then any sunglasses. Alright, no problem.
Thank you. See ya. Yay.
So, ayan guys. Nabudol kami ni Kuya. Nakabili kami ng Ray-Ban. Isa kay Al, isa din sa akin. So, yung binili ni Al yung Meta, yung Ray-Ban Meta, kung saan pwede kang mag-take ng picture while suot mo yung sunglasses. Pwede kang mag-take ng video. pwede kang makinig ng music. So, parang nagsisi ako na lumabas kami ngayong araw na to. Sana din na lang kami lumabas. Gusto ko nang umuwi, guys. Parang butas na yung bulsa ko. So, nasa train station na kami, guys. Actually, 4:30 pa naman yung alis namin. Tapos, 3:20 pa lang. Bigla akong napagod nung bumili si Al ng Meta na Ray-Ban. Sabi ko, uwi na tayo. Baka lalong gagastos pa kapag mag-ikot-ikot pa kami. So, yan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung train station. Ito lang yung parang waiting area. Meron din sa kabilang side. Kabilang side. Madami siyang side, guys. So, dito lang kami kasi medyo mainit-init dito. Ang lamig kasi doon sa open area nila. So, waiting lang kami ng train namin at 4:30. Yan na yung train namin, guys. 4:30 pa naman yung alis namin, pero pwede na atang pumasok. Nandito na kami sa train, guys. Actually, napagod din ako at saka inaantok kasi nga 4 o'clock kaming nagising kanina. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo, guys, sa trip natin ngayon, and then I'll see you next time.